For centuries, this humble bulb has graced our kitchens, but only now are we fully realizing its extraordinary health benefits. Gone are the days when garlic was merely a kitchen staple. Today, it's hailed as a modern superfood, and for good reason. Why rely on synthetic chemicals when nature's remedies like garlic from your own garden offer a plethora of medicinal properties? Did you know that even Hippocrates, the revered father of medicine, prescribed garlic for its health-boosting benefits? Here are 5 compelling reasons why you should make raw garlic a daily staple for noticeable improvements in your health. Say goodbye to hypertension woes. For centuries, Chinese and Japanese traditional medicine practitioners have sworn by garlic's ability to tackle high blood pressure. Scientific studies now back this ancient wisdom, showing that regular consumption of raw garlic can significantly reduce blood pressure within weeks, thereby lowering your risk of heart disease and stroke. Those small white cloves of garlic are like little warriors for your immune system. Packed with allicin, garlic acts as a shield against harmful bacteria, keeping colds and other illnesses at bay. Unlike conventional antibiotics that disrupt your gut flora, garlic selectively targets bad bacteria while supporting the good ones, thus fortifying your immune system naturally. Garlic isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a potent cancer fighter too. With its ability to inhibit cancer cell growth, aid in DNA repair, and promote healthy cell reproduction, garlic is a powerhouse of cancer-preventing nutrients. The World Health Organization recommends a daily dose of fresh garlic to harness its cancer-fighting potential. Your system feeling sluggish from junk food indulgences? Let garlic come to the rescue. This mighty herb aids your liver in detoxifying your body, flushing out toxins, parasites, and residual medications that your liver struggles to eliminate on its own. Say hello to clearer skin, improved digestion, and a revitalized system with a daily dose of garlic. Garlic, your natural remedy for coughs. Sick of cough syrups? Turn to garlic for relief. Blend garlic with vitamin C for an immune-boosting concoction that's tough on coughs and gentle on your throat. A warm garlic tea is a soothing elixir that provides instant comfort to your throat and helps alleviate cough symptoms effectively. But wait, there's more. Beyond its medicinal uses, garlic works wonders for promoting healthy hair growth, clearing acne, soothing psoriasis, aiding weight control, and even treating athlete's foot. As we embark on this flavorful journey with garlic by our side, let's savor the transformative power it brings to our lives. From ancient wisdom to modern science, garlic stands tall as a beacon of health and vitality. So, let's raise our garlic-infused dishes high and toast to a future filled with vibrant health and well-being. With each bite, we honor the legacy of this remarkable bulb and pave the way for a brighter, healthier tomorrow. Here's to the garlic revolution. May its benefits continue to inspire us, nourish us, and guide us on our path to a life well lived. Cheers to garlic, the unsung hero of our kitchens and the champion of our health.